Future continuous tense, mastering sentence transformation. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into the future continuous tense and focusing on sentence transformation. This lesson is key to understanding how the future continuous tense is used, and how you can transform sentences using this tense. So, let's get started. The future continuous tense expresses action at a particular moment in the future. The action will start before that moment, but it won't have finished at that moment. For example, tomorrow at this time, I will be playing soccer. Here, will be playing is an example of future continuous tense. Sentence transformation is a method where we keep the same meaning of the sentence, but we change its structure. This can involve changing the tense, changing the voice, active to passive, or even changing the sentence type, like declarative to interrogative. Today, we'll practice transforming sentences into the future continuous tense. Now, let's dive into the practice. Suppose you have the sentence, "She cooks dinner every night." To change this into the future continuous tense, we'd say, "She will be cooking dinner at this time tomorrow night." Notice how we've kept the meaning, but transformed the sentence to describe an ongoing future action. Here's a formula to remember. Subject plus will be plus verb, ing, plus object. Let's get some practice. I'll provide a sentence, and your task is to transform it into future continuous tense. 1. They study English. 2. He swims in the lake. 3. We are writing a report. Let's see how you did. Here are the transformed sentences. 1. They will be studying English at this time tomorrow. 2. He will be swimming in the lake at this time next summer. 3. We will be writing a report at this time next week. Remember, the key is to maintain the same meaning while changing the tense to future continuous. That's it for today's lesson on transforming sentences into the future continuous tense. Practice makes perfect, so keep transforming sentences to get a good grasp of this tense. As always, don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. We hope this has been a helpful lesson and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!